Hello, this is a video presentation, I didn't say short, on finding equations of lines perpendicular and parallel to a given line through a given point. First thing we have to do is look at what is the slope of parallel lines. So I've drawn this. This line here has a slope of 2 and 3, 2 over 3, m is 2/3. And clearly these two lines are parallel, and this is 2/3. The slopes are the same. So slopes of parallel lines, well, badly drawn. Parallel, the symbol looks like this. Parallel lines are the same. This is a standard symbol in geometry, meaning parallel. Now we look at our other picture here. We see that this has a positive slope and this has a negative slope. Clearly, these lines appear to be perpendicular. This little symbol means 90 degrees. And I see here that our slope is again 2/3. But here, going from here to here, we go down 3 over 2. Our slope is negative 3/2. So slopes of perpendicular lines, this means perpendicular lines are opposite reciprocals. One's going to be positive, one's going to be negative. Unless they're unless they're vertical or horizontal. That'll be covered in a different video. So, if I have a slope of negative 3/4 of one line, a parallel line, the slope is negative 3/4. A perpendicular line, the slope is 4/3. It's the opposite, negative, positive, and the reciprocal. All we do is flip up and down. All right, let's do a quick example. Two quick examples, actually. Okay, we want to find the equation of the line parallel to this line, right here, parallel to this. I don't want to cross that out. Parallel to this, that passes through this point. So I have some random line here. It's not this line. It's parallel to this line, but it goes through this point. So the first thing I have to do is find the slope. So I take 2x plus 3y equals 8, and I solve for y. So minus 2x, 3y equals negative 2x plus 8. Divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3. And guess what, kids? Oops, I got a little carried away there. Negative 2/3, not the x, is my slope. So now I just do what I've done the last couple days. I use this point and this slope, and I set up my equation. X minus 1 times 2/3 equals y minus 5. That would be a negative 2/3. That's it. Now, find the equation. And I'm not going to do it because we've been doing this now for 2 days. All you have to do, distribute, kill the fraction, and put in standard form. All right, let's look at one more. All right, here's our next example. Find the equation of the line perpendicular to this that passes through or contains this point. Same thing as last time. Find the slope. You know you're going to use this point, but you need the slope. So the slope of the given line we have negative 2x plus 5y equals 10. I add 2x, I add 2x. Oops, a little carried away there. So I have 5y equals 2x plus 10. Divide by 5, divide by 5, divide by 5. And I see that my slope is 2 over 5. That's the slope of the given line. M of the given line is 2 over 5. But I want the line perpendicular. I don't want this 2 over 5. My slope is the opposite reciprocal. Positive, opposite is negative, reciprocal, 5 goes up, 2 goes down, 5 over 2. And my equation is negative 5 over 2 times x minus 1 equals y minus 5. And then, just like we have the last 2 days, put in standard form. And, oops, standard form. All right, and that's it. Well, that's all there is to it. What did I do? I took my given equation, this guy right here, found the slope, y equals mx plus b. I took that slope and I said my line, my new line, is the negative reciprocal of it, which is negative 5/2. And I set up my equation using this point right here and this slope, which is the negative reciprocal of that slope. And that's it. And then we finish the problem. I'm not going to waste your time doing that though. All right, have a great day. Take care. And I love you guys. Have an awesome evening.